Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you how to update your window. With the passage of time, Windows need to be updated to run new and updated softwares. You need to go to Start menu, then go to Control Panel, then go to Windows Updates. Here you will see this interface on your PC. Here you'll see important and optional updates for your PC. I'll suggest you to update both types. Now click on Important Updates. Check all the boxes. Then click OK. Then go to Optional Updates. Again check all the boxes. Then click OK. Click on Change Settings. Here you'll see different options. Select the first one, that is Install Updates Automatically Recommended. Click on it, then click OK. Then click on Install Updates. Here are terms and conditions. Select I accept the license terms. Click on Finish. It will start updating your Windows. You have to be a little patient. Time for updates depends on your PC performance. Once it is completed, click on Update History. Here it will show you all updates you made so far. Then click OK. And again click on Important Updates. Check all available boxes. Click on OK. Now click on Optional Updates. Again check all boxes and click OK. And again click on Install Updates and wait a little. Now my Windows is updated. The updates were successfully installed. It also shows the message Windows is successfully installed. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.